How to create a quick colourful gradient design in Affinity Photo. Go to the Tools panel and select the Ellipse tool. Drag and hold down the Shift. Now you can fill it with gradients using the Swatches panel. Please check out my videos on how to create gradients. And you can go to the gradient section. A whole range of different gradients are possible. Then go to Layer and Duplicate Linked. That's a special kind of duplication. It links the ellipse to the next ellipse. And now what you can do, go here to the Move tool and you can rotate the design. Just go up here and rotate it. And you can control it. You can make it 18 degrees, 20 degrees. And then you can repeat that. Layer and Duplicate Linked. And you can repeat that. Just go around to say 40 degrees and so on. Create 7 or 8 layers and rotate them all. You can of course rotate them later as well. Once you've done that, you can go up to this one and you don't have to select all of them. You can just go to one of them and you can just go up here and you can click on Darken and they will all change. So you can run through these, go for linear burn and maybe go for difference. But also what you can do is you can go and select a different gradient. So just go over here, click on a gradient and you can see straight away you've got this lovely colourful design. But you can also go over here and select the gradient tool. So with the gradient tool selected, so you move there and change that, and you can see as you do that all the gradients will change. Now you can also go up here in the top left and you can select, instead of linear, you've got radial, elliptical, so I'm just going to go with radial and you can see the radial design there. Now I could have continued it all the way around. And again, you can still continue to modify this to create all kinds of ripple designs, watercolour designs, anything. So once you're happy with your design, something like this, what you do, got all these, you can go up here, Layer and Merge Visible. So they can be all merged into a single layer. If you wish now, you can of course delete all of these ellipses. This gradient design can now be used maybe as a background. You can move it to reposition it. You can also duplicate it, hold down the Alt Option key and create all kinds of colourful designs. You can also apply effects to it. Go to Filter, go to Distort and Deform. Go with Similarity. Click and add a few pins. And then drag and distort that design. And click Apply. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.